Hi guys! It's video number 17 of our financial journey, and we're diving into the exciting world of retirement accounts. We all know we should start saving for the future, but where do we even begin? That's where I come in. Diba, pag naisip natin yung retirement, matagal pa naman yan. But trust me, it will be here before you know it. That's why it's so important to understand the different types of retirement accounts and how they can work for you. Kung tama yung gagamitin nating strategy, you can ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that starting to save for retirement in your 20s can mean having over twice as much saved by the time you retire compared to starting in your 30s? That's the power of compound interest. There are a number of options available when it comes to retirement accounts. You can start a retirement account through banks, investment companies, or even insurance companies. Each option has its own set of pros and cons. So it's important to choose the one that's right for you. But don't worry, you don't have to go it alone. I'm here to help guide you in making the best decisions for your unique financial situation. Book a call with me today. Just scan the QR code presented in the screen and let's talk about the variation or the various retirement account options and find the one that's perfect for you. Don't let your future be uncertain. Take control of your finances today and secure a comfortable retirement for yourself. Watch my video number 18, Managing Risk and Protecting Your Future. See you!